Hi everyone, welcome to Tidio Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can add a live chat button to your WordPress website. So you have noticed a chat button like this in different websites. When you click on this chat button, it will show you some options and you can directly contact to the website owner right from the website. So let's check how you can add a chat button like this in our WordPress website. So either you can use the HubSpot live chat to your WordPress website, or you can use a platform called Tidio.com. Here you can see the live chat button like this. So let's check how you can integrate it in our WordPress website. So watch the video till the end to integrate it properly in your WordPress website. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. So let me just create a free account in Tidio.com first. So for this I will click on get started for free button here. Now it will ask you to create a free account. So let me just quickly enter my email address, password and website here. Now let me just go to the website and let me just grab the website link from here and let me just paste it here. Now I will click on I agree to the Tidio's term and condition and let's click on get started. Now let me just save it. Now you can set a name. So I can name it like Learn Tidio Blogging. Or I can simply name it like Tidio Blogging. And you can set a color scheme of your chat button like this, or you can set a custom hex code. So let me just select this chat button here, and I can select the chatbot language. So let's keep it English. Now let's click on continue. Now here you can select this option. I want to solve customer problem or I want to increase sale. So I will select this option. How do you want to do that? I want to automate conversion or I want to talk to the customer. So let's select this option. I want to talk to this customer. So I can add the chat button to my services page and user can directly talk to me through this button. Or you can also select this option if you want to automate the conversions, like if they hit some query, then the chatbot will automatically reply to that query and send it back to the chat button. And here you can set the number of support agents. So let me just select it as 2 and let me just select your industry. So let me just select the industry as services, or I can set it as blog. So let me just keep it as blog, and here I can select 0. Now let's click on continue here. Now set up your fast chatbot. So let's click on continue here, and here you can see different options, like you can integrate with JavaScript, like you can directly paste this code to your Blogger website or any other CMS platform, or you can directly use it in WordPress. So I will select this WordPress option here. Now let's click on continue, and this is our Tidio dashboard. So we need to install the Tidio plugin in WordPress as well to integrate it properly. So let's go to the WordPress dashboard, and I will go to the plugins and I will click on add new. Now I can search for the Tidio plugin. So I will type like Tidio and I will install this plugin, Tidio Live Chat and Chatbot. So let's install this plugin. Now let's activate this plugin. Now you will see this option Tidio Chat. So let's click on here, and all you have to do is and log in with the same email ID and password. Let's click on I agree and let's click on get started. So as we have already created the account, so we need to log in first. So let me just enter the email and password and let's click on login, and it will automatically redirect me to the Tidio.com. So here you need to select the project here and let's click on integrate selected project. Alright, now we have successfully connected the Tidio with our WordPress website. So let me just go to the front end and let me just refresh this page. So we need to set up the Tidio first. So as you can see that the chat button is now showing, and here you can customize this option from the Tidio.com dashboard. So as you can see that I can simply chat with the website owner. So let me just simply type hi. Now it will ask you to enter your email address. So let me just enter the email address here like this. Now let's click on send. Now the chat button is working, so a staff will automatically contact you within minutes. So it is saying our staff will contact you within the next couple of minutes. So let's check if the message received in our dashboard or not. So I will go to the Tidio panel here. So here it will saying that join to start conversion. So let's click on here, and as you can see that same message is coming. So let's click on join conversion. So if you have multiple support staff, then they can easily join this chat and they can simply send the message. Like I can send like welcome Abhishek, and let me just simply set the reply button here, and let me just go to the website, and as you can see that the message come to the chatbot. So here you can easily chat with the person right from your Tidio dashboard, and here you can see all the open chats from here. So let me just open this website in a incognito mode like this, and let me just wait for the chat button to show up. Alright, let's click on here. Let me just send this message like, hi, I want your service, like this. Let's click on send here. Let me just enter my email address here, and let's click on send, and as you can see that I have sent the message. So let's go to the Tidio dashboard. Now let's click on here. So let's click on assign, and let me just join the conversion. Now I can send like hi, welcome. So let me just go to the incognito mode and let's check the message. As you can see that hi, welcome messages come to our chatbot. So in this way you can directly chat with your customer and get your sales increased, and you can further customize various options in this chatbot. Like you can go to the settings here, and here you can change the background of the chat, and here you can set the online starter like this, and you can set the website position, like you can set it in the left position or right position. You can set the button level like this, chat with us, so you can change it from here, and can enable a wizard sound. So when a user land on a web page, it will create a sound, notification sound, and pop up the chat button. And here you can set the wizard visibility, like you can enable it for both desktop and mobile devices, or you can enable for mobile devices, and you can display the chat when you are offline, or if you want to enable this chat only if you are online. So you can see different options from here, like hi there, welcome to our website, like this, and you can set the mobile wizard or mobile position, and you can also enable pre-chat survey. Like as you can see that we have to enter the email address before we can talk to the admin. So you can add different fields here, like if you want to collect phone number, then you can add a phone number here. So you have to enter the email address and phone number before sending the message to the admins. And here you can set different rules, and you can add multiple language here, and here you can set the sidebar color like this, like you can enable a chat button in the sidebar like this, and you can change the color as well. And here you can add different chat pages option here. So here you can enter your company logo, so it will show up the logo here in this position, and here you can change the text here, like we reply immediately. So you can basically change everything in your chatbot in this settings. And here you will also set the translation options, like if you want to add multiple language, then you can easily do that using these settings. And here you can also enable ticketing options, and here you can enable Facebook Messenger and Instagram as well. And here you can see the account details here, and here you can set the notification options from here. So here you will get a lot of options, like you can integrate with multiple plugins, like you can integrate with Google Analytics, MailerLite to collect email address for newsletter, and you can integrate with various platforms like Slack, Zoho and Salesforce, like that, get response. So you will get a lot of options, and you can also download the mobile app to control the chatbot functionality. So here you will get different options. So I hope this is a very good chatbot plugins to increase sales, generate leads or solve the user problem. So it is basically designed for businesses who want to increase their sales and get a good customer experience. Then they can use this chatbot in their WordPress website. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button, and if you have any queries regarding this tool, then you can ask me in the comment section. I will cover in upcoming videos, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.